There's a lot of cryptocurrency exchange services on the internet. Some are legit, and some are built to scam away your money. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the best crypto exchange on the internet, ChangeNow. ChangeNow is an instant cryptocurrency exchange service that allows for simple, fast, and secure crypto swaps. The transaction fee varies from 0.5% to 4% and depends on whether you choose a classic or fixed exchange rate. ChangeNow offers easy-to-use user interface. You can use ChangeNow on Android and iOS devices so you can exchange crypto anywhere and anytime. ChangeNow offers a great 24/7 customer service, so do not be hesitant to ask some questions. No signups required. You can start using it right now anonymously. You can also buy cryptocurrency on ChangeNow with Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay. Now, of course, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use or exchange cryptocurrencies using their service. I'm thinking of exchanging my $30 worth of Bitcoin to Ethereum. First, you want to put how much you're going to be exchanging and what crypto you want to be exchanged. Of course, like I said, I'm going to exchange my $30 worth of Bitcoin into Ethereum. So we're going to look up on Google how much is $30 in Bitcoin. $30 is 0.0014 in Bitcoin. So we would want to copy that and paste it here. Now, as you can see, it would automatically show how much you're going to get in Ethereum right here. Now we want to click exchange after that. Now you would want to put your Ethereum or your desired crypto address right here. And also, if you look below the site, make sure that you're on the right website, which I am. Now click confirm. And now we're going to be sending the $30 worth of Bitcoin to this address. Okay guys, we're going to be sending $30 with my Exodus wallet. Just paste the Bitcoin address right here, and I'm going to click send. There you go. Now we're just going to wait for one confirmation. As you can see, it's currently on process, and it's doing its thing exchanging, of course. Now at this point on, we're just going to wait patiently. After a few minutes, it's finally done processing. And as you can see, I got the Ethereum. And there you go. It's that easy, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the Transaction Explorer right here to show you all that it's 100% legit. That's basically all, guys. It's really simple and easy. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.